So on today's episode of that 503 Rex, we're going to do a head gasket on the GSR. Pulled out the spark plug wire cover. I'm about to pull out the wires, then the valve cover. I'm going to loosen up the cam holders, take out the cams, and then from there you guys will see. Alright, so we took out the header. Next step is take off the valve cover. Alright guys, we're back at it again. Took out the head off of this to do the valve stem seals. This is what we got, the springs. Get close, you can check it out. So now what we got going on is just dropping them in, grabbing them, dropping them in, grabbing them, dropping them in, grabbing them, dropping them in. There you go. Alright guys, so the next step is get close and go check this out. And then you got your keepers right here. They only go in one way only. Put them in, boom, bada bing, bada boom. And then set them on there. Bam, ready. So on and so on and so on, keep going. And then when you're ready to put them back on, you got this. Bam, and then they go in like this. Now the next part is, obviously you guys know, head, block, gasket. There we go. Got it all ready, all cleaned up, AC lanes are out. OEM gasket. Got the springs and retainers in. Changed all the valve stem steels. Every single one of them. All of them. All the seals are all changed.